And you're probably wondering, what the heck is that?
What are you working with? SCT, Brownell's ported slide.
That dot on the target, and as long as you don't move your pistol, you will shoot where that dot is.
I think I want to shoot the Kimba next.
Welcome back. Double Stack 1911. Today is a great day. We're going to do another unboxing. Got to tell you though, I've already taken it to the range, already broken this in. Something a little bit different. It's not a Double Stack 1911. However, it is the Beretta 92 FS. Comes in a nice hard case, like you can see here. I just kind of popped it open. It's got some areas there where you can lock it. I don't know if that's TSA approved or not. However, you open it up here. It comes with two mags. One that's in it, one that's in the case over here. But I only have one mag to show. Of course, you come with your crappy little lock. We all love our locks. Come with the pistol, and then you come with a nice manual, so you can see what's going on there. What is this? I never really looked at this, I gotta be honest. I don't know. That's just some information on the Beretta. Some kind of warning here. That's all awesome. I think I did get a sticker. I think I pulled that out already and put that on my safe. All right. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of there. It's the Beretta 92 FS. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Before we get too far, all right, let's see here. You see, completely unloaded, nothing in there, right? Does have a magazine in it, so you can see it locked back there, right? Pointing in a safe direction. Let me just drop the mag. You can see nothing in there, and right, beautiful gun. Comes with 15 round magazines by default. So me in the state of Illinois, that works out great. There shouldn't be any issues with getting yourself a Beretta 92 FS. Look at how beautiful that is. The thing is, no optic, right? No optic. So for me, that's going to be a bit of a challenge. However, when I shoot with it, it's fine. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way. So this Beretta 92 FS is really awesome. I don't know what year our military was using those. Maybe some of you guys can comment down in the comment section. Some of the things I like about it is usually I don't like these hinge impingement or whatever you call it, like the hinge triggers. But for this Beretta 92 FS, I do like it. I like the look because of this open barrel here. It's less to have stovepipes where the shell is sticking out. It is really nice. It actually fits pretty good in my hand. So you can see I still have some room there. Extremely nice. Another thing I like about it is, when you cock it, if you look right there, it's actually ambidextrous. Right now it's hot, meaning that if it was loaded, it could fire. I put this on safe, it decocks. Some people are extremely scared of that, but what it's actually doing is moving the firing pin out of the way. It actually turns. I don't know if we can actually see it there. All right. I will. Oop, not fast enough. But basically, it moves the firing pin out of the way. So I love that. But it is a double action, single action. What that means is the first trigger pull is cocking it and firing. That's double action. Now, if it's loaded, after that, it's going to be back like this, right? Now it's cocked, right? No lock though. And the next pull was single action. First one was double action. Sorry about that. Really, 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 really love this. This gun is super awesome. But let's look at a few things, right? Without a magazine in it, how much does it weigh? Looks like, that can't be right. Maybe that's 2.9 pounds, 2.94. I think that's what that is. Yeah, I'm going to go with 2.9 pounds. Yeah, it says pounds. Oh, sorry. 1.13 pounds. Do it again here. Zeros. Yeah, 1.13.4 pounds. I'll turn this back around so you guys can see it, hopefully. I guess maybe you can't see it that good. But 1.13 pounds. Right? It's not bad. Not bad. It's not Glock weight, but it still is a good weight. Now we will test the trigger with my antiquated trigger pull here. I assume that that first trigger pull is going to be pretty hard. I'm not going anywhere. This thing goes to right, all the way max there. That can't be right. Let's try it again. Maybe if I put the more down on the trigger. Well, whatever that was, you guys can see it's way at the end of this thing. I don't have on my reading glasses, so it makes it a little difficult for me to see. Now we'll be able to see what the single action trigger pull weight is. Should be a lot less than. Yeah, should have had on my glasses. I can't see, but we'll do it again. It should be not as light as some of the. Yeah, it's about the same place. All right, that is the trigger pull. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys. I'm real happy. This was one of the firearms on my wish list. I'm super stoked. I've shot it. It shoots pretty good. As you know, I'm probably half blind, but those dots, which are 3 dots, right? 1 in the front, 2 in the back. You line them up and equal light, equal height, and it goes pretty good. All right. That's all for today. Not going to do an actual review of the Beretta, their customer support or anything like that. You can look that up. However, I think that is on my wish list video. I think I do talk about the support and all of that. Again, please like and subscribe. Also, before I get to that, this is an excellent, excellent carry gun. I do already have a holster for it, so since I do have my CCW here in Illinois, sometimes I will carry this bad boy. The length doesn't bother because I also have a pretty big body, so it's really good. It's really awesome. Love it. So again, please like and subscribe. Nice having you. Have a great day.